Celebrate World Family Day with Club Mahindra. Just follow the instructions, make an origami flapping butterfly art with the TOI newspaper as you turn over the front page, and your family could win a 3-night, 4-day Singapore cruise trip. In this video, you will watch a beautifully designed origami flapping butterfly by Jack Farrelly that is fun to play with and easy to make. Just follow the instructions in the video and create an origami butterfly of your own with your family. Step 1. Cut the paper as shown through dotted lines. Step 2. Flip over to your right to put the color side down. Step 3. Simply fold the bottom half to the top half, making sure the edges meet. Now unfold it. You will have a center crease. Now fold the top and bottom edges to meet at the center. Next step is to fold in all 4 corners so their edges meet at the center horizontal crease. So you will be folding from all 4 corners. It'll look like a triangle in the corners. And crease them properly. Step 7 is to fold down the top half. Next step is to fold the center of the bottom half to the top half and crease about 1 inch of the center only with your fingernail. Don't crease it all the way, it should just be in the center, right here. After that, turn the paper over. Next step is to place a finger on top of the center of the paper, right in the middle. And with your other hand, wrap the paper snugly around your finger. Now, remove your finger and you should have a loop like this. You can just make the loop right. Form it in a way that it's round in shape. Then step 13 is to use the fingernail and slightly poke in the center of the loop. Step 14, with your forefinger and thumb, grab both the hands of the loop holes and pinch them together. Now pinch and release. Pinch and release. This pinching and releasing will make the butterfly flap. And you're ready with your flapping butterfly. Share a photo or video of your creation with hashtag Bringing You Closer and tag Club Mahindra on social media and stand a chance to win fabulous prizes. You could also win a 3-night, 4-day Singapore cruise trip. Wish you a very happy World Family Day.